If you've ever used the Autosnipe AI platform, you might be able to claim back some free Solana thanks to one of their brand new features. If you're not familiar with Autosnipe, it's a meme coin trading platform similar to BullX and Photon, with some of its own unique features like Trader Lens and AI snipers. I've done a load of videos on it in the past which you can check out in a playlist at the end of this video. If you're not already signed up to Autosnipe, you can go ahead and do so using my link in the pinned comment or the description below to get 10% off all your trading fees. Alright, so how do you claim some free Solana? Well, it all has to do with fees. When trading on Solana, you pay various different fees like your network fee, priority fee, platform fees, and rent fee. The one relevant to us in this video is our rent fee. Whenever you buy a token on Solana, you automatically open a token account associated with your wallet. And to have an open account on the network, you pay what is called the rent fee. This is basically a minimum balance required to cover the cost of storing the data on-chain. That amount can vary slightly depending on the amount of data being stored, but in our case it's 0.002 Sol. And you pay that for every single token you buy, so it can add up over time. Now, they call it a rent fee, but it's actually more of a deposit, because what most people don't know is you can reclaim that fee when you sell the token, but you need a dedicated tool for that, since often trading platforms aren't able to close the token account for whatever reason. I don't know the intrinsic technical reason for why that is, it just is, which means you might have a lot of zero token balances still sitting as open accounts. Luckily, Autosnipe have now integrated this tool directly into their platform in the form of a Sell All button on the holdings page. When you click that button, it analyzes your Autosnipe wallet, then closes any open token accounts and refunds the rent directly to your wallet. Now, obviously, the amount you get back will depend on the amount of tokens you've bought and sold on the platform in the past, either through manual trading, copy trading, or the AI sniper tool. I haven't made many transactions on this particular account, this is just a test wallet, so I only have 11 open token accounts here. But even then I was still able to claim back a couple of dollars by clicking one button, which is always nice. We also have the option to burn our holdings of tokens with either none or very little liquidity left, since you won't be able to sell them anyway and they just clutter your portfolio, so you might as well have the rent back. You'll notice the first time I ran this, one of the tokens failed to sell. That's just because I didn't have the burn option enabled. Once I turned that on and ran it again, it closed that one account just fine and reclaimed another 24 cents for us. That's about all, folks. If you want to know more about Autosnipe, check out my playlist of videos on it over here. I'll also be doing an update on some new features of the AI sniper in the next couple of days, so feel free to subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss that. Anyway, for now, I've been me, you've been you. Thanks for watching, and see you later.